I woke up early that day. Earlier than usual. My phone was quiet. No messages. I looked at the date again. I knew it was today. My birthday. I waited a little. Just a little more. I am 20 years old. I live with my mother. We have a small house. 2 rooms. A small kitchen. My mother works long hours. She leaves early. She comes home tired. Most days are the same. Quiet. Simple. Every morning I make tea. I wash my cup. I clean the table. My mother drinks her tea fast. She checks the time. She puts on her shoes. She always says goodbye. Always. That morning she did too. She said my name. She smiled. Then she left. I stayed in the house. The air felt different. I told myself not to think too much. It was still morning. Maybe she was planning something. Maybe she remembered. I cleaned my room. I folded my clothes. I kept looking at my phone. At noon, I ate rice alone. The plate was quiet. I remembered my birthdays before. Small cakes, simple food. My mother never made big plans, but she always remembered. She would touch my head. She would say, "You're older now." That was enough. In the afternoon, I went outside. The sun was strong. I walked slowly. I had nowhere to go. I passed a shop. I saw balloons. I did not stop. I kept walking. I felt something heavy inside, but I did not know what it was. Evening came. The sky changed color. I went back home. I cooked dinner. I made her favorite food. I do not know why. I set the table. 2 plates. I sat and waited. She came home late. Later than usual. Her face looked tired. More tired than before. She washed her hands. She sat down. She started eating. She talked about work, about people, about traffic. I listened. I nodded. She did not say anything else. I waited. 1 minute, 2 minutes. She finished eating. She stood up. She said she was tired. She went to her room. The door closed. I stayed at the table. The food was cold. I looked at the empty chair. That was the moment. I knew. She forgot. My chest felt tight. My hands felt cold. I did not cry. Not yet. I cleaned the plates. Slowly. The sound of water felt loud. I went to my room. I sat on my bed. I asked myself questions. Did I forget to remind her? Was I not important today? I thought about her life, her work, her tired eyes. I tried to understand, but it still hurt. I looked at the wall. I remembered being a child. She would wake me up early. She would laugh. Now the room was quiet. I felt small again. I did not want to be angry. I did not want to blame her. But I wanted something. Just one word. I picked up my phone. I opened a message. I did not type anything. I put the phone down. Time passed. The house was silent. Then I heard a sound. Soft footsteps. My door opened slowly. My mother stood there. She looked at me. She looked confused. She said my name. She came closer. She sat next to me. She was quiet for a moment. Then she touched my hand. Her eyes filled with tears. "I forgot," she said. Her voice was low. She did not explain. She did not make excuses. She just sat there, holding my hand. Her hand was warm. She stood up. She went to the kitchen. She came back with something small. A piece of chocolate. It was broken. Not perfect. She placed it in my hand. She smiled. A tired smile. "Happy birthday," she said. That was all. We sat together. We did not talk much. The room felt different now. The heavy feeling moved a little. Not gone, but lighter. Later that night, I lay in bed. I looked at the ceiling. The day was not how I imagined, but her hand was still warm in my mind. I closed my eyes. The house was quiet again.